You're very young, and here it is that you were matching up with some of the best players in the history of the game. Talk me through that experience, what it was like. You know, despite the result, what it was like gaining that experience.
It was definitely a good experience for the country as a whole. We didn't want to lose that disappointment. But you have to give respect where it is. Obviously, grew up watching some of them, and to be on the field with them, it's a pleasure. It's a great feeling.
And as a teenager, does this show you that no, yes, you don't have to be afraid of the best players in the world. You can match skills with them and not be embarrassed?
Yeah, definitely. This is definitely an eye-opener, you know, a boost of confidence to show that we have quality, and once we are confident, we can match it.
All right, Adrian. We know that you had picked up an injury over the weekend. How is that going now?
Yeah, I've been in recovery since the game, since that night. I didn't feel comfortable playing. I didn't want to put the team at disadvantage, so that was the cause of my absence.
All right, so you played in the first leg. I believe that you were one of our top performers. How would you summarize that game for yourself?
The first leg game? That game we were unlucky, but we were patient. You know, we suffered a bit in the possession, but we did good, and we got a couple chances which we didn't take, and that was a disappointment. But it was a good first leg, and
all right, one last one. So you played alongside, for me, the greatest midfielder ever in Sergio Busquets. Did you think you learned anything from his game?
Yeah, definitely. His composure on the ball is unmatched. You know, he sees the game, he sees passes. You know that you will see. It's definitely a learning experience. You know, watching how he moves, how he communicates.
All right, thank you.